Hello friends, welcome to our channel CBSE English The Topper's Choice. In today's video, we are going to discuss letter to editor for class 10th and 12th. Let's go. A letter to the editor may be written to the editor of a newspaper or editor of a magazine. It is written to highlight a social issue or problem. It can also be written in order to get it published in the said medium, that is newspaper or magazine. Actually, these letters give suggestions or create awareness on an issue of public interest or an issue already raised in an article or write-up. As it is a formal letter, the format has to be followed strictly. Only formal language can be used here. We people have to avoid abbreviations and the use of slang language. You need to attempt one question out of the 2 questions this year. Letter to editor, 2 questions will be asked and the word limit will be 100 to 120 words. And this question carries 5 marks for this year 2020 and 21. Now friends, we'll discuss the format of writing a letter to editor. The first step is sender's address, that is your address. We have to read the question carefully because in the question itself we'll get the address of the sender. The address and contact details of the sender are written here. Include email and phone number if required or if mentioned in the question. After this sender's address, second step comes, that is date. The date is written just below the sender's address after leaving one line space. Then comes the third step, receiver's address. Here, receiver's address in the sense, the address of the editor. His official address we write here. The address of the recipient of the mail, that is the editor, is written here. After the receiver's address, subject line, subject of the letter. The main purpose of the letter forms the subject and it must be written in one line. It must convey the matter for which the letter is written. After subject line comes salutation. Here salutation, you have to write either sir or madam or respected sir or respected madam. But one thing here to remember is the beginning of any word should be in capital letter, that is in uppercase. After salutation comes main body of the letter. The matter of the letter is written here and this main body of the letter is divided into 3 paragraphs as follows. First paragraph, you have to introduce yourself and the purpose of writing the letter in brief. In second paragraph, give a detail of a matter. And in third paragraph, conclude by mentioning what you expect from the editor. For example, you may want him to highlight the issue in his newspaper or magazine. After main body of the letter comes complimentary clause. Here you can write yours obediently, yours faithfully, yours truly, yours sincerely. But here remember one thing, only beginning, that is Y, is written in uppercase, that is in capital letter, and there is no apostrophe or comma anywhere. After complimentary clause comes subscription or signature line. Here we need to write sender's name, signature and designation if any written there. Note here, mention the name given in the question paper only. Don't mention your personal details here. So here in front of you, once again we have the format of writing letter to editor. First step is sender's address. At the end, no comma, no full stop. Then leave one line space. Then write date. Again leave one line space. Then write the address of the addressee or the receiver's address, that is the editor, T and E capital, and down below the name of the newspaper. Again, after one line space, subject line. Again leave one line space and then write salutation, sir or madam, beginning capital. Then the main body of the letter begins. Generally, this line we commonly use. Through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to, like this. After this comes complimentary clause, that is yours sincerely, yours truly, yours faithfully, and then signature line. Here we write name and designation. Some points are there to remember regarding this letter to editor. Let us see. Draw the attention of the concerned authorities or general public towards the problem and not the editor. Request the concerned authorities to take the action, not to the editor. It is not a direct request. While dealing with social or civic problems, provide suggestions to curb or control it in the end. Raise the issue by citing some latest news, items, survey report, personal experience, etc. Analyze the issue in terms of its causes and consequences. Conclusion to be positive, straightforward, with pleasant tone and use of polite language. Now we'll see one sample question of letter to editor. You are Rekha or Rakesh, a student of Bharati Public School, New Delhi, studying in class 10th. The students are required to cope up with a lot of stress in today's competitive environment. Write a letter to the editor highlighting increasing stress faced by students and suggesting ways and means to combat it. Here we go. The answer is like this. Bharati Public School, New Delhi, 6th July 2020. The editor, The Times of India, New Delhi, 110002. Subject, problem of increasing stress faced by students. Sir, through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to express my views on the problem of increasing stress among the students due to highly competitive environment. Today's world is full of competition. Every now and then a child is assessed on different parameters. Parents expect a lot from their children. They want their children to excel in all the fields such as studies, sports, and co-curricular activities. Everyone wants their children to be a doctor or an engineer. The result is that children are unduly stressed and burdened. All day long, they are indulged in completing their homework and studies, and no time is left for games and sports. It is high time we should ponder upon this problem. Students should be involved in games, sports, and yoga to combat stress. Parents should not pressurize their children for performing excellently in studies. Meditation can be practiced for keeping stress at bay. Yours sincerely, Rekha or Rakesh. So in this way, dear friends, if you have liked this video, please click on like, subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.